A Chinese military plane came within 20 feet, that is 6 meters, of a U.S. Air Force aircraft and forced it to take evasive maneuvers to avoid a collision in international airspace over the South China Sea last week, the U.S. military said on December 29th. A video released by the U.S. Department of Defense showed the close encounter. The United States has called this a recent trend of increasingly dangerous behavior by Chinese military aircraft. The incident, which involved the Chinese Navy J-11 fighter jet and the U.S. Air Force RC-135 aircraft, took place on December 21st, the U.S. military added in a statement. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.